So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful long French vintage nail design. So it's easy to do for beginners, and I really hope you're going to like this video. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love by following me, and then come back and watch this video. So you guys, this was a refill. So I've already got the old acrylic off, I've got the old excess skin off, and I've applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. And now I'm going to use the cover pink from Young Nails to apply on the whole entire nail. I have a video on how I do this in detail, so I will put the video for you guys in the description box below. I'm just using the one ball method, and if I think it needs some more acrylic, I will just apply some more acrylic on some spots. But I'm not covering it with clear acrylic because this acrylic dries on itself really dry, so I'm not covering it with clear acrylic. So yeah, I'm just doing that on all the 10 nails. So this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm going to use my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to shape the nails as straight as I can and smooth the surface of the nails. And when I'm done using this nail bit, I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. So now I'm using the tapered bit. When I'm done using my tapered bit, I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. So after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails, now I'm using my detailing brush to like draw the French side and that beautiful smile line at the tip of the nail, and I'm drawing that with the foil gel because we are using some foils, and I'm just drawing that. You can't really see it because it's clear, but I'm just making that smile line and also covering the whole entire tip with the foil gel. And when I'm done doing that on all the nails, I'm curing it under my lamp so I can apply the the foils over the sticky layer that's left after the gel is cured. So I'm doing that on all the nails, and now you can see it a little bit better where I've applied the foil gel, and now I'm using the brush from the bottle to apply it all over the tip. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing on all the nails, and then I will flash cure it for like 2 minutes so I know that the gel is cured. And yeah, so I would like to know if you're still here watching, and if you're still here watching, let me know by commenting a bow emoji in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're liking it so far. And also the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language papiamento will be strecky, and strecky means a bow. And you guys, if you're still here watching with me but not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you are the first one to know when I post the next time. So after curing the foil gel, I'm using the foil and I'm applying it and rubbing it really well into the foil gel so you don't miss any spots. Just rub it in. I like to use my fingers, but you can also use a silicone tool. And yeah, I'm just rubbing it into the foil gel that we have applied, and when you are done pressing it well into the foil gel, you can just get it off and you can just see the smile line that we have drawn with our foil gel. You can just see that our French nail. So yeah, you guys, that we are doing on all the nails. And when I'm done doing this, I'm using my rubber gel top coat to top off all the nails. I'm using this gel top coat because it's a thick gel top coat and it like encapsulates everything. So yeah, you guys. So this is how they look after applying the foil on the tips, and now I'm using the rubber gel to top off the nails, and then I will cure it for 2 minutes under my lamp, apply some cuticle oil, and I will just show you the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this set in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Go and share this video, like this video, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.